Dear students, very good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about our fifth problem of the topic Jacobian. So this problem is also very important because here we are going to consider three functions with respect to three variables, that is each function with respect to each of the three functions with respect to three variables. So here the question is find the Jacobian JACO JACOBIAN. Find the Jacobian dou of x comma y comma z divided by dou of r comma theta comma phi, r of the r comma theta comma phi of the transformation of the transformation of the transformation x equal to, so here we are given functions x equal to or sin theta, x equal to or sin theta cos phi. Okay, so x is a function of r comma theta comma phi, y equal to or sin theta into sin phi sin phi, comma z equal to r cos theta, okay. So these are the given statement, these are given values: x equal r sin theta cos phi, y equal r sin theta sin phi, z equal r cos theta. We have to find the Jacobian dou of xyz divided by dou of r theta phi with respect to three variables. So this is a function of three independent variables. Each function is a function of three independent variables. X is a function of three independent variables, y is a function of three independent variables, and z is also a function of three independent variables. So for this we will have the Jacobian as, so here is a solution. So we will have dou of x comma y comma z divided by dou of r comma theta comma phi, equal to we have to write the formula here: dou x divided by dou r, then dou x divided by dou theta, then dou x divided by dou phi. Okay, dou phi. Okay, now with respect to y, now to write with respect to y, so they are given by now you have to write with respect to y and as well as with respect to z. Okay, now here we have to replace everything with y in the second row, and in third row we have to replace everything with z. Okay, with respect to z. Okay, so here dou y and here also dou y. Here it is dou z, it is dou z, and here it is dou z. Okay, and now we will have so x equal to r sin theta cos phi. X is differentiated with respect to r, so r will become 1 and sin theta cos phi we will get sin theta into cos phi, sin theta into cos phi. Okay, I think it is not necessary to type, it is not necessary to write, we should copy it. Okay, r sin theta into cos phi, so copy v, and in this we will not get r because r will become 1, okay, in this r will become 1. Okay, then with respect to theta, when we differentiate with respect to theta, we will get sin theta will become cos theta, sin theta will become cos theta. So that is the only difference we are having here. Okay, so that is r cos theta, okay, r cos theta. So when with respect to cos phi means we will get cos phi, and differentiating cos phi we will get minus sin phi, so we get here minus r sin theta into sin phi, minus r sin theta into sin phi. Okay, minus r sin theta into sin phi, that is what we will get. So minus r sin theta into sin phi. Okay, now dou y by dou r. So what is the value of y? We should copy the value of y. Okay, value of y is this, everything is same, so no problem. On differentiating we will get only positive values. So on differentiating with respect to r will become 1 and the rest of the things are constants. Okay, the rest of things are constants, so we get okay, we shall paste it very close. So here okay, sin theta into sin phi, and respect to theta when we differentiate we will get with respect to theta we will get sin theta will become cos theta, sin theta will become cos theta. Okay, sin theta will become cos theta. Okay, so here get cos theta, COS, cos theta. Okay, okay, so R will come closer, R will come closer to the second term, R will come very closer to the second term, R cos theta sin phi, and the third term, on differentiating with respect to phi, we will get cos phi. Okay, we will get cos phi. So R will come closer, okay, R will come closer, it will become cos phi, it will become cos phi. So it is R sin theta into cos phi. Now dou z by dou r means we will get only cos theta, then dou z by dou theta means you will get only r, and dou z by dou theta means you will get r into sin theta minus r sin theta. Okay, minus r into sin theta, then with respect to phi we will get 0. So we are having r sin theta. Okay, we are having sin theta cos phi. Okay, everything is okay. Now we have to take the determinant of this. We will take determinant of this. So we are having this of this into this minus this into this minus this of this into this minus this into this plus this of this into this minus this into this. So we can write, so I shall copy this. Okay, first term. Okay, first we shall copy this. Okay, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Sin theta cos phi into sin theta cos phi into so this will become 0 and this will become plus. So first term is r sin square theta cos square phi, r sin square theta, r sin square theta, okay, into cos phi, or sin square theta cos phi. Okay, when sin theta and cos phi, this into this minus this into this. Okay, then this will be closed, bracket will be closed, then minus of second term. So what is our second term? Our second term is r cos theta into cos phi, r cos theta into cos phi. So we get Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, r cos theta into cos phi. Okay, this into this into we get, so these two will get cancelled and we get this r or sin theta cos theta or sin theta. So now minus, here is one minus, so that minus will become plus. Okay, here also we will get one minus, where here. Okay, so first term, this of this into this means this into this, it will become plus. Second, minus this of this into this is 0, minus so 0 minus this of 0 minus this thing, so minus r sin theta cos theta into cos phi. Okay, into cos phi. Next we will have, third term is minus, this term will come as it is, so we get r sin theta into sin phi, or sin theta into sin phi into, or sin theta into sin phi into sin theta into sin phi into this into this. So what is this? Minus r sin square theta into sin phi minus r cos square theta sin phi, or cos square theta into sin phi. Okay, so this is the determinant value. Now we have to simplify it. So how to simplify it? Now I am looking at sin theta into cos phi. Here also one sin theta into cos phi, and here also no. So only first two terms only we are having sin theta into cos phi. So I am taking first sin theta. So I can simply mention this as j, Jacobian j equal to, so that it will be easy for me to denote. So Jacobian j equal to this. So if I take sin theta outside, or cos theta, whatever it is, first of all we shall take, so Jacobian so since the terms are very big, we shall first multiply everything. Okay, first we shall multiply everything. So we get okay, I shall keep the sin theta outside. Because now we will not have any idea. So just keeping the sin theta outside, and we will get r sin square theta into cos square phi. Okay, then here we are having sin theta cos theta and one cos phi, so minus into minus, it will become plus. So plus, so when I multiply these two r, we get plus r square plus r square. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, then cos square phi, cos square phi, r square of r square cos square theta cos square phi into sin theta. So here also I am having 1 sin theta, so I am keeping it outside. Okay, I am keeping it outside. Okay, this sin theta, then minus, here we are having r sin theta sin phi, it is sin square theta, so minus r. So first of all let us multiply this minus, so multiplying this minus, we will get everything into plus. So here everything will become plus. So it will become, if I take, see sin square theta cos square theta is there, and sin phi is there. So if I take r, okay, if I keep this r, and if I I shall keep r inside itself, so r sin theta or sin theta sin I am taking sin phi outside, so sin phi square into, so if I take r also outside, it will become r square into sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, cos square theta. Okay, now from these terms, okay, we have to consider, here I am having sin theta of something, here I am having sin theta of something. So what is the something? So I am taking r outside also, so here it is sin square theta cos square phi, here it is cos square theta cos square phi, so I am taking r sin theta, okay, r sin theta and r sin theta and also cos square phi, cos square phi outside. So from this one r sin theta has gone, from this we have lost one r sin theta, so remaining we will have sin square theta, okay, sin square theta plus r cos square theta or cos square theta. Okay, so from these two we are having, this is r, okay, then sin theta is already outside, and another sin square theta, then cos square phi. Here sin theta is outside, then r is okay, r is here, and cos square phi has been taken outside. 1 cos square theta is here. And now with this we have to add this, plus r square sin theta into sin phi square, not is sin square phi, sin square sin theta sin phi into sin phi sin square phi. It is sin phi whole square means it is sin square phi into sin square phi. Okay, into sin square r square sin theta into sin square phi. Okay, so with this, if possible, we can take anything outside. So here I am taking r okay, so you are having r square sin theta sin square phi. Here also we are having r square cos square phi into cos square theta. So okay, now let me simplify it like this. So it is r sin cube theta, r sin cube theta into sin cube theta into cos square phi plus r square sin theta. Oh no, then we have to think differently. Sorry, it will not be like this. Okay, now here we are having sin theta. Okay, from these two we can take r sin theta, and from these two we can take r sin theta commonly outside. So on taking r sin theta commonly outside, we get cos square phi sin square theta plus r cos square theta into cos square phi plus sin square phi plus sin square phi. Okay, now is it possible to make anything as cos square phi sin square theta cos square 5 cos square theta. Okay, it will not become 1. Okay, so we have to check here, something is missing. If I get square here, if I get some square here, if I get some square here, or yeah, there is some square is missing in R, or I have to get some R here. If I get it, then it will be okay for me. So I have to recheck the solution. Now we are having sin theta into cos phi of this will become 0. The value of this will be r square sin square theta. This is r square. Oh yes, this is r square. Then minus r cos the cos phi of this into this 0, this into this will be minus r sin theta cos theta into cos phi, minus r this into this is r sin square theta sin phi minus r cos theta into cos phi. So everything is okay. One thing is the first term is missing with r square, so it is r square. If it is okay, then everything is okay. Here it is r square, here it is r square. So we have to be able to find, we must be able to find if we do something wrong. Okay, here it is r square. Only in 2 steps only we have missed. Only in 2 steps. Here is one r square and here is one r square. So we are having r square with this r square sin theta and cos square phi come outside, then we will get this will become okay, then this will become sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so it will become 1. So last step we have to eliminate the last step. Okay, we have to eliminate last step. So here we are getting, okay, here we have to get so dear students, I am doing in laptop by using mouse pointer and my finger. So to cover problem it will consume more time. So that's why I am dictating very slowly and doing the problem very slowly, because I am not using any digital pad. I am just using mouse keypad and my finger. So there is many, and it is now our time is 1:46 p.m. on 17 January. Okay, 1:46 p.m. of 17 January. Sorry, it is 1:46 a.m. 1:46 a.m. of 17 January. So by this time I am working. Okay, so here it will become 1, and here also you get this value. So here r square of sin theta, r square of sin theta cos square phi of 1. So this will become 1 plus r square of sin theta into, okay, sin theta into sin square phi. Okay, so here what is common? R square sin theta is common. R square sin theta is common into into, here we are having cos square phi plus sin square phi, and that is equal to 1 cos square phi plus sin square phi sin square phi. So this is equal to r square sin theta, r square sin theta. So our Jacobian J is r square sin theta. Okay, so J equal to r square sin theta is our result, okay, or we can take this dou of xyz divided by r theta phi. Okay, dou of x y z divided by dou of r theta phi, r theta phi equal to r square sin theta, r square sin theta. So this is our final result. Now the problem has been completed. I hope you all enjoyed the problem. So dear students, when we are doing a problem is really a problem, okay, solving a problem is really a problem. So we have to do everything very carefully. Since I am working on a very small monitor, I am not able to go back and to see, only by mind, only I am remembering all the terms and doing everything. So sometimes some mistakes may happen, but the skill where we are having is we should not get disappointed when the answer is not coming. Sometimes it will happen, but we have to find instantaneously, we have to find very spontaneously where we have done a blunder, that we have to check. That blunder mistake should be avoided in examinations. Okay, so I am advising you to take care of your problem solving skills. That is very, very important. So when solving the problems, you have to be very, very sure and confident in proceeding your steps, and you have to be able to find the mistakes if you have done in any places of your steps. Okay, so unless you are strong with these skills, it is not possible to crack any problems. Okay, because I have shown 3 examples, okay, where I have done little blunder mistakes, and very instantaneous and very spontaneously I have found. Okay, it did not take much time for me to identify the mistake. Okay, so even I can avoid that mistake, but since I'm working on very small screen, and I'm straining myself to the maximum to make this video very clear, so this will happen. I hope you all understand the problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. We shall meet on other topics tomorrow. Thank you so much.